Have you ever wondered how the code you write transforms into something a computer understands? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of compilers. We'll unravel the mystery behind these incredible softwares. Whether you are a fan company developer or a beginner, understanding how compiler works is like gaining insight into something that is usually hidden or at least not immediately apparent. Join us as we explore the stages of compilation, demystifying the process and discover why compilers are so important for the software development universe. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's start off with the basics. What exactly is a compiler? At its core, a compiler is a piece of software that performs a crucial task in the programming world. When we write code in a high-level language like Python, C++ or Java, we're using a language that's designed to be human-readable and easy to work with. However, a computer does not understand a high-level language. They understand ones and zeros, otherwise known as machine code. This is where the compiler steps in. Its primary job is to translate our human-friendly code into a machine-readable language. When we feed our source code into a compiler, it gets through a series of intricate processes to produce the machine code that our computer can run. So, in a nutshell, a compiler is the essential tool that makes our programming dreams a reality, allowing us to communicate our instructions to the computer. Now that we know what a compiler is, let's take a look at the different stages of compilation. The lexical analysis breaks down our code into tokens. These are the building blocks of our program. It also removes white spaces and comments. Next, the compiler constructs a syntax tree to check the structure of our code. It ensures that everything fits together properly, following the language's rules. This stage goes beyond the syntax and checks the meaning of our code. It verifies variable declaration, data types and function calls, making sure our code makes sense. After checking that our code makes sense, the compiler creates an intermediate version of the code. Think of it as a middle ground language between the code that you write and the language that the computer understands. The compiler optimizes our code to make it more efficient. It can eliminate dead code, perform constant folding, and even optimize loops. This stage is optional. Now we reached a critical point in the compilation process. After all the analysis and optimization, it is time to convert our code into machine code. The compiler uses the optimized intermediate code to turn it into a machine code. Now that we journeyed through the stages of compilation, it's time to address a crucial question. Why do compilers matter in the world of software development? Well, first of all, compilers play a significant role in optimizing our code. By transforming high-level code into machine code, they enable our programs to run faster and more efficiently. Compilers help us write code that can run on various platforms and architectures. This cross-platform compatibility is essential. Whether you're developing software for desktops, mobile devices, or embedded systems, compilers act as our first line of defense against programming errors. They catch syntax and semantic errors before the code ever runs. This early error checking helps prevent costly and time-consuming bugs in our software. In the next video, we'll unravel the world of interpreters. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.